If you're ever checking out the historical town of Edgefield, you might start to feel like you just took a trip in a time machine. The town may seem a little wacky for some folks, but for those history buffs out there, there's probably no place better to experience a blast from the past than Edgefield's own village blacksmith. In this 100-year-old building, Jake Jacobson has been practicing the art of traditional blacksmithing over the last 3 years. Even though some of the scenery in the town has changed over time, Jacobson, who's mainly self-taught, uses some of the same techniques and materials that were once used back in Edgefield over a century ago. When he's not honing his craft, Jacobson is busy portraying himself as the town pirate or sometimes a Civil War soldier during reenactment activities. Talk about being dedicated to your role.